We were expected to have a meeting in the morning at 10 o'clock, and up to now, the nursing union, Kenya National Union of Nurses, have not been able to come to the negotiating table. And therefore, in absence of their presence for negotiations, which we have been expecting, then we can only urge them to be able to accept, to continue dialogue, so that we can remove the impasse which is existing between the union and the employer.
Nurses had a recognition agreement with the national government, but as you know, the new constitution has given us 47 county governments, which in a sense are fairly independent in the way they do their own things. So what we agreed as a Council of Governors is that for us to keep on running for the 47 county governments to negotiate a recognition agreement with the union, each one of them, is an illogical thing, and you will have something that is not standardized. So we agreed that as 47 county governments will sign one document, and that is the one that we have said, which as we speak right now, our chairmen of the public service boards are actually meeting. It should be finalized by the weekend, so that on Monday, because we had said it should be finalized in 1 week from yesterday.
We had a meeting this afternoon with the negotiating team of the doctors. We did discuss the position, and I want to say the discussions are progressing. However, it's unfortunate we have not reached a point where we can say we have concluded our discussion to a point where we can say reprieve can be found to Kenyans who are suffering.
When we talk about negotiation, we are not talking about renegotiating a document that was already signed and agreed upon. We are talking about how it will be implemented and how and when we get the arrears that are owed to us for the last 3 years. We are talking about inflation, we are talking about the consumer prices has increased, and that is our position as we come to the table.
Mine is to regret the situation which we are finding ourselves in, and to say that as a government, at both levels, we have spared no effort to ensure that this situation does not obtain. But unfortunately, it takes the two parties to be able to reach an agreement to cause reprieve to Kenyans.